Step-by-step guide to get started with SEO.
Familiarize yourself with basic SEO concepts like keywords, on-page optimization, and technical SEO.
Determine what you want to achieve with SEO. Whether it's increasing website traffic or improving search engine rankings, identify relevant keywords using tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs. Optimize title tags, meta descriptions, headers, and content for your target keywords. Develop high-quality, relevant content that provides value to your audience. Address technical issues that may hinder your website's performance in search engines. Build backlinks from reputable websites to improve your website's authority and credibility. Regularly monitor your website's performance in search engine rankings and traffic. Stay updated on industry trends and best practices to maintain and improve your search visibility. Stay informed about new developments and strategies in the dynamic field of SEO.